Pouch virus disease cases imported to the European Union. Even Pakistani media reported these cases. In June and July, 19 cases were reported. 12 from Spain, 5 from Italy, 2 from Germany. 18 people traveled to Cuba while 1 traveled to Brazil. Oropouch virus disease is transmitted from midges and mosquitoes caused by the Oropouch virus. Several outbreaks are reported in the past, even recently in 2024, from South America, Central America, and the Caribbean region. Oropouch virus is mainly transmitted to humans as a result of being bitten by infected midges and some mosquito species. Direct horizontal human-to-human transmission of virus has not been reported so far. Oropouch virus disease can manifest as an abrupt febrile illness with headache, nausea, vomiting, muscle and joint pains, and occasionally more severe symptoms. Other signs and symptoms include, especially when brain is involved, photophobia, dizziness, eye pain, or maculopapular rash that starts on the trunk and goes to the extremities. Commonly mistaken for dengue virus infection, chikungunya virus infection, malaria. Symptoms typically last less than 7 days, usually between 2 to 7 days. However, in up to 60% of patients, symptoms can reoccur a few days or even weeks later. Abnormal laboratory findings such as raised inflammatory markers like a C-reactive protein, white blood cells, neutrophils, and as well as mildly elevated liver enzymes are noted. As I mentioned earlier, it can cause brain infection, so prognosis is usually good. People recover after this infection. However, there are some reported deaths among people infected with Oropouch virus. Diagnosis is made on clinical history, travel to the disease area, presence of virus in samples or blood samples, or positive serology or molecular method tests are done to detect virus RNA. The doctor, if there is any suspicion of Oropouch virus, the doctor should contact with the reference laboratory for blood testing as well as to discuss the management. Unfortunately, there are no vaccines to treat Oropouch virus disease. Supportive care is recommended for clinical management of patients, for example, rest, fluids, painkillers, and tablets to reduce fever. Patients who develop more severe infection should be hospitalized, and the best way to prevent this disease is avoid biting by midges as well as mosquitoes. Thank you very much for watching this video.